Hey Dan. So start off with some questions here. Can you share with us a little bit about what your life was like before coming here?
Yeah, before the retreat, I was heavily involved in a normal 9 to 5 corporate America style job. A lot of demands from the work week and leading a sales team. In addition to kind of having a stressful and busy work schedule, was also kind of burning the candle at both ends in terms of, partying and doing some things in my personal life that were also kind of stressing my body and my system quite a bit.
How's life feeling like today?
I feel like a new man right now. I feel light. I feel refreshed. I feel like my spirit and soul have been cleansed quite a bit. I think doing the prep work leading up to the retreat and then all the great work that happens here has me just feeling much more healthier and vibrant.
Did the medicine have any lessons for you?
Yeah, big time. There were quite a few. I think the biggest thing is just how important taking care of your body is, in the sacred connection that it has to nature and the world, and just recentering on spirituality and having that connection to nature and to Mother Earth, and making sure that your body is just in tip-top shape, because it's the only one you have.
What will you do differently when you get home?
I think the biggest thing is, I'm definitely going to be cutting out some of my personal vices, and drinking and partying is the big aspect of what I'm going to be leaving behind. I think what I'll try to incorporate moving forward is just more consistent routines around meditation, prayer, more consistent practice in yoga, and probably reducing the consumption of meat that I have in my diet, increasing the amount of vegetables and fruits that I eat. I think those are going to be the biggest things I take away and incorporate.
Would you recommend Behold retreats to anyone? And if so, to whom?
Well, certainly if, my story of what I was doing before the retreat resonates with you, I think this would be a good spot for you. But there was other people within my group that were certainly on different paths in life and different moments and experiences that brought them here. And through my conversations with the folks that lead the retreat, I really feel like, this could certainly be a great spot if you're wanting to get a sense of purpose and clarity and where you're going in life. It could be a tremendous option if you're really just looking to incorporate some healthy practices into your day and kind of change your lifestyle from a diet standpoint or a physical activity standpoint, or just healing some trauma. If there's things that have gone on in your past that have bothered you, have kind of lived with you, have manifested negativity and things of that nature, could certainly help you with processing and letting some of those things go. And there's probably several other use cases that the medicine can help with, but I think if any of those things resonate with you, certainly this would be a good retreat for you.
Thanks, Dan.